An IT professional notices a database schema is missing required fields and needs to change the table structure with a DDL statement. What command should be used? Option A, select. Option B, update. Option C, insert. Option D, alter table.
In database management, we distinguish between different categories of SQL commands. Some commands are used for managing the data records themselves, like viewing, adding, or modifying the actual content within the rows of a table. Others are specifically designed to manage the database structure, which involves defining, altering, or removing the schema elements, such as tables and columns. Understanding the purpose of these command categories is essential for performing structural changes to your database.
I believe the correct answer is option D, alter table. This is the specific command used within data definition language, or DDL, to modify the existing structure of a database table. Whether you need to add a new column, delete an existing one, or change the data type of a field, this is the standard command used to perform those structural modifications.
Let us look at why the others do not fit here. Option A, select, is a data query language command intended purely for retrieving data from a database. Options B and C, update and insert, are data manipulation language commands. These are used when you need to change or add the actual rows of information within the table, rather than changing the schema itself. Remember that structural changes require DDL, while content changes require DML.